Germany is a country of contrasts, where modern innovation meets deep-rooted history. It is a place where highways stretch endlessly without speed limits, yet everyday life follows strict discipline and order. From the outside, it appears efficient and powerful, but beneath that surface lies a story shaped by triumph, conflict, and transformation. This is not just a nation in Europe, this is Germany, one of the most influential countries in the world. Located at the very heart of Europe, Germany acts as a bridge connecting cultures, economies, and ideas. It shares its borders with 9 different countries, making it one of the most strategically positioned nations on the continent. This central location has played a key role in shaping its history, turning it into both a meeting point and, at times, a battlefield of civilizations. The natural beauty of Germany is often overlooked. From the breathtaking Bavarian Alps in the south to the dense and mysterious Black Forest, the country offers landscapes that feel almost cinematic. Rivers like the Rhine flow gracefully through historic towns and modern cities, connecting regions and supporting trade for centuries. These natural elements are not just beautiful, they are deeply tied to Germany's identity and development. But what truly defines Germany is its people and their way of life. Precision is not just a skill here. It is a mindset. Time is respected, rules are followed, and systems are designed to function flawlessly. Public transportation runs almost perfectly on schedule, streets remain clean and organized, and daily routines reflect a culture built on efficiency and trust. Life here may seem strict, but it creates a balance that many admire. Germany is also known as the economic engine of Europe. Its industries are among the most advanced in the world, producing high-quality machinery, automobiles, and technology. German engineering has become a global symbol of reliability and excellence. Every product reflects attention to detail, from the smallest mechanical component to the most complex industrial system. Yet, behind this success lies a history that is both powerful and painful. Germany played a central role in some of the most significant events of the 20th century. The impact of global conflicts reshaped the nation, leaving scars that would take decades to heal. Cities were destroyed, lives were lost, and the country was divided into 2 separate parts during a time of political tension. For years, Germany existed as 2 different worlds, East and West. One side followed a capitalist system, while the other was shaped by a socialist ideology. The Berlin Wall became the ultimate symbol of this division, separating not just land, but families, dreams, and futures. When the wall finally fell, it marked a turning point not only for Germany, but for the entire world. Reunification was not easy, but Germany rebuilt itself with determination and vision. Today, it stands as a united and powerful nation, stronger than ever before. Its cities have transformed into hubs of innovation, culture, and global influence, attracting millions of visitors every year. Despite its modern image, Germany still holds many secrets. Deep within its forests, castles stand surrounded by legends and mystery. Some places are said to hold stories that have never been fully uncovered. Underground bunkers from past wars remain hidden, silent reminders of a time the world will never forget. The Black Forest, in particular, has inspired countless myths and tales. Its dense trees and shadowy paths create an atmosphere that feels almost otherworldly. It is said that many traditional stories originated here, blending reality with imagination in ways that continue to fascinate people even today. Germany is also a land of culture and tradition. Festivals bring cities to life, music fills historic streets, and centuries-old customs are still celebrated with pride. At the same time, it embraces the future with cutting-edge technology and innovation, creating a unique balance between past and present. One of the most interesting aspects of Germany is its transportation system. The Autobahn is famous worldwide for its sections without speed limits, attracting drivers from across the globe. But this freedom comes with responsibility. Drivers are expected to follow strict rules and maintain discipline at all times. Sustainability is another area where Germany leads by example. It has one of the most advanced recycling systems in the world, showing a strong commitment to protecting the environment. Renewable energy sources like wind and solar power are widely used, shaping a greener future for the next generation. Food in Germany is as diverse as its regions. From freshly baked bread to traditional dishes, every meal reflects a piece of cultural heritage. With over 1,000 varieties of bread, it is a country where even the simplest foods carry deep tradition and pride. As we look at Germany today, it is clear that this nation is more than just its past or its achievements. It is a country that has learned, evolved, and grown stronger through every challenge. It represents resilience, discipline, and innovation, qualities that continue to shape its future. Germany's influence extends far beyond its borders. Its ideas, technology, and culture impact the world in ways we often don't even realize. It is a nation that continues to move forward, always building, always improving. In the end, Germany is not just a place on the map. It is a story of power, struggle, mystery, and transformation. And perhaps that is what makes it truly unforgettable.